Hi friends, welcome to IAS with Santosh. In this video, I am going to gift you two questions in the UPSC prelims examination, and not just that, I am going to help you understand how you have to integrate two subjects. Guys, one of the secrets behind my success in the prelims examination has been my integrated approach to the prelims examination. Many a times you will see in UPSC you have to integrate environment with geography, environment with polity, environment with other subjects, and this is a topic where we will integrate two different subjects, science and tech and environment. And generally whenever the topic have integrated aspects, when the topic has multiple subject aspects, that is the favorite topic of UPSC. Before that, I would like to tell you that if you are not part of my Optimize IS Telegram channel, Ask Santosh Sir Telegram channel, you can join my Telegram channel. I provide a lot of free content in my Telegram channel. Okay, you can follow that. Guys, let us start this video. So guys, you see here, you all know that India is building a neutrino observatory in South India, and this topic is in news because Tamil Nadu has said no to it in the Supreme Court. Environmental experts say proposed project sites falls within the Periyar Tiger Corridor and threatens to fragment it, but scientists say it is the deep underground and won't bother animals. So we are going to understand the various aspects of this project, and in that context we are also going to cover an important tiger reserve, which is the Periyar Tiger Reserve. Guys, that corridor, which is the Periyar Tiger Corridor, runs from the Periyar Tiger Reserve on Kerala Tamil Nadu border to the Mathiketan Sola National Park. National Parks. Guys, I have already told you that this year Shola vegetation is very important for the prelims. Okay guys, so let us see. So what I have done guys is that I have made two Optima cards on that subject, one a science and tech Optima card, Indian Neutrino Observatory, and one environment Optima card where we will cover Periyar Tiger Reserve. So before we discuss the Neutrino Observatory, let us discuss the Periyar Tiger Reserve. Guys, the Periyar Tiger Reserve is situated on the border of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. It is situated in the Idukki district of Kerala on the Cardamom Hills of the Western Ghat. The river Periyar flows through the Tiger Reserve. The river Periyar flows through the Tiger Reserve. Guys, as far as flora and fauna is concerned, tropical evergreen forest and semi-evergreen forest along with some moist deciduous forest are found in this tiger reserve. Guys, this tiger reserve has species like Bengal tiger, elephants, gaur, deer, barking deer, Nilgiri langur, lion-tailed macaw. As far as birds, important birds are concerned, Indian hornbill, Malabar grey hornbill, etc. are found here. Guys, there is a very big Periyar lake, which is an artificial lake which was created because of the construction of the Mulla Periyar Dam across the Periyar river, which is a major attraction in this tiger reserve. Guys, as far as tribal communities are concerned, we find Manans, Palyas and Uralis in this area. So guys, this Periyar Tiger Reserve is very important for the prelims examination, but more important than this, okay, is the Indian Neutrino Observatory. Guys, you can see this map and you can see UPSC has been asking a lot of questions in this, okay, in from the protected area of this. Okay, so you can get questions, okay, arranged from north to south. Okay, so you can see Nayar, Pepara, Periyar, then you can see here Eravikulam, then Silent Valley, then Wayanad. So they can ask you to arrange this protected area from south to north and from north to south. This kind of questions can also come. Just I am giving you an idea. Okay, now let us come back to the main topic of the video, which is the Neutrino Observatory. So guys, before we study what are neutrino observatories, let us first understand what is a neutrino. Guys, neutrino is a subatomic particle which has no charge and almost no mass. Here I am using the word almost no mass. This means it does not have a zero mass. It has almost no mass. Guys, one of the properties of neutrino is that it can pass through most of the objects. Guys, this is naturally produced in the atmosphere of the earth, but it does not cause any damage to human beings. Okay, so as far as these subatomic particles are concerned, they are generally produced in the high energy processes such as within stars and in supernova phenomenon. On earth, these neutrinos are produced by accelerators and nuclear power plants, because they can give you this point, okay, that where are these neutrinos created. So these neutrinos are created within stars and supernova. On earth, they are created by particle accelerators and nuclear power plant. This is very, 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 very important. The other point is that the subatomic particle has mass close to zero but not completely zero. So this is very important. Now the point is that they are very difficult to detect. They are very difficult to detect because of their property that they can pass through any and they do not interact with any particles. Why? Because of their weak forces, and they do not have any charge also. That's the reason. You can see here neutrino detectors around the world seem to see the evidence that these weakly interacting little understood particles are not really massless as was thought so far. Okay, so they are not massless. Not only that, they have non-zero masses. Different species of neutrinos seem to mix and oscillate into one another as they traverse through the cosmos. If this is true, this is only one of the first pieces of evidence of physics beyond the standard model of particle physics. So guys, standard model of particle physics. So this, okay, when we study neutrinos, we will be able to understand more about the standard model of particle physics, and this UPSC has already asked in the PYQ, standard model of particle physics. UPSC has already asked in a PYQ. So now Government of India is also building a neutrino observatory. Okay, so it is under the Department of Atomic Energy. Okay, and they are building an under earth, okay, underground laboratory associated at the Bodhi West Hills in Tamil Nadu. So construction of a magnetized iron calorimeter detector, ICAL detector. So they can ask you what is ICAL detector and for what purposes it is used. So it is for detection of, basically it is for the detection of the neutrinos. It is for the detection of neutrinos. Okay, so overall the objective is to, okay, understand the properties of neutrino particles and to know what are the sources of neutrino particles, and that is why we need an underground laboratory, because there cannot be any interference from background radiation. Guys, the concept of background radiation is also very important this year. Background radiation. So such, okay, such observatory should be in an area where there is very less background radiation. So this point is also very, very important. So guys, you see how I have connected two topics, one science and tech topic with the environment topic. So guys, as far as, okay, neutrino observatory is concerned, they can ask basic question on neutrinos, or they can ask you about observatory also. So guys, let me tell you that please go through these Optima cards. This will make your last, okay, 10-15 days very, very effective. Guys, I have been seeing for the last 2-3 years people who are using my predictions. They are easily qualifying the UPSC prelims examination. And you can also choose to solve my most important PYQ series, where most important question series, where I have analyzed the PYQs, I have analyzed the PYQs, I have analyzed the current affairs. So I have married PYQs with current affairs, and then I have framed questions, and I have framed this expected question list. So you should practice these questions. And guys, do consider liking this video and sharing this video with a friend. And I would like to know, did you find this video useful? Okay, because many of the students, okay, they don't cover current affairs properly throughout the year, and when such topics comes in the exam, they get very surprised. Last year I have seen many students who did not follow Optima and were following some other current affairs. In the end, when they got to know my content and when they saw most of the topics which is there in our content which was asked in the UPSC, they were surprised. But guys, there is nothing to be surprised. If we are following scientifically the current affairs throughout the year, most of the questions will come from notes only. and that is why I make my Optima notes very scientific. So thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.